Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will guide you how to download MyHayd app on your iPhone. MyHayd app is not present on the App Store, rather it is self-hosted, and we will show you in easy steps how to download it to your device. First, open Safari and type www.myhayd.app. You have arrived at the landing page where you can find more information about the first ever Islamic period tracking app personalized to your menstrual cycle. Click on Get the App button. Now follow the remaining instructions by pressing the Share button. Then click the Add to Home Screen button. There you go! MyHayd app is now installed on your device. Click the app icon to open it. You are now ready to use MyHayd app, the first ever Islamic period tracking app personalized to your menstrual cycle.